in this tutorial, we're going to create an awesome intro effect, like you've seen at the very beginning of this video. It's a real cool effect. So I have a sound effect. You can use music too if you want. I have an explosion. And I have my so-called logo. Basically, it's just text made in Chrome. A Chrome effect to it. I'll put links in the description box below the video for where to get all these items from. The logo was made from a company called UpWork.com. And what that is a freelancer website where you hire a person, usually in India or Pakistan or Philippines, and they work for very low wages over there. So for about $20, you can get an awesome logo made up for $20. And in the United States and in Canada, if you wanted to get that made up, it's probably going to cost you $500. But going to Upwork.com, you can get any kind of digital media made up for a fraction of the cost than it would cost to hire a graphic designer in North America. It just the prices are just absolutely unreal. So let's begin the tutorial. So drag my so-called logo to the timeline. Now what I want to happen here, I want tech tips and tech stuff to burst out of the explosion. So once the explosion is finished, you see tech tips and tech stuff. So we're going to have to do a keyframe. So go to event, pan crop. Let's zoom in. Let's make this smaller now by zooming it out. That's good. I'll put a keyframe right about here. Right click, restore. Let's drag the explosion. Go to compositing mode. Select screen. Now a sound effect. You can use music as well. I'm using a sound effect instead. Now I'm going to put some black space in here at the very beginning before everything starts. So move everything a little bit away from the front of the timeline. We'll keep the explosion and the sound effects synced. Beforehand, I just want to see how fast this take tips and take stuff pops in. So I want to do a little faster. So set this keyframe to fast. It's better. Makes it a little longer. Don't go too long. Long intros suck. So try to keep it at 8 seconds. It'll fade out. Let's play this back. So it looks pretty good. So once again, I'll put links in the description box below the video where you can get all the media from, and a link to Upwork.com. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.